Smiling by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get loose to. A mountain is fun.
Everybody knows about the tick-tick noise. So I took lead. Lead is the best thing for noise. Not no little box with foam and whatever you have in it, but lead is the best. So I melted the lead down. And then in the box. The box in the back. See the box? It's boring. All lead. Stop the noise. And the temperature here. That's the temperature. And the time. So I'm going to start this up. And what I've done is, have you seen the other thing? The exhaust makes a lot of heat. That's lost heat. So what I did was, I put fins in it. Copper melting point is 1,900. The heat that's coming out of the bottom is maybe 300. So it's not going to melt the copper. And then I put a fan to blow on it. So let's start this up. I'm going to hit the remote. Hold on 1 second. Okay. There's the remote. On. And it went on. And as you know, this takes a little time coming on, so I'm going to pause it. It's blowing now. And I'm going to go back to the clock. I'm going to pause it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I've done to it. I mounted it on 2 L brackets. I mounted it on rubbers. Instead of mounting the thing on the side of it, I mounted it on rubbers also. So it's away from it. I can open it up without worrying about the wiring or anything like that. Intake is there. The fan's gonna blow. I'll put the fan on once it heats up. But right now it's still cold. Come around and it's going out. Now this is a not insulated 2-car garage. And I also have a fan on top to blow down the heat. So let's see. And as you can hear, the little tick-tick noise I hear, very low. If you put music on or anything like that or start talking, you can't hear that. So, time. Okay, I'm going to pause it again. That's the time, still there. It's starting to blow fast, but it's still cold. It's warmed up yet. Look at a nice view of how it's mounted. Now I'm using 3/4 baseboard heat, and also you need a coupling. If you put a coupling on it, the aluminum tube fits in there good. So if you can see the side there that I did, I got a regular 1-inch muffler clamp, and the top is the regular clamp they give you. And I stuck the muffler on the outside. I'll show you the muffler. There's the muffler. Okay. It's not even 3 o'clock yet. And it's starting to blow hot now. The temperature is set to 5.2. 5.4 is the highest, so it's 5.4. You see how fast it gets hot in there. So right now it's starting to blow hot, Yeah, good. I'm gonna put this fan on. Hold on a sec. Okay, the fan is on. And it's standing right here. Can you hear a tick-tick noise? I don't hear one. Can you hear the tick-tick noise? No. The fan. Can I get a temperature thing? Hold on a second. Alright, it's a minute after. Temperature. If you go center, you get a better reading. Okay, and then the exhaust. How's that, huh? Nice. Whole lot. So this is getting cooled off. If I put another blower down here, nice, right? All that heat going right into the garage. I should get that booster pack out of the way. That's where it's high though. Hold on. At the time. And got that booster pack out of the way. So we're going back and forth with the light. Pretty good, right? And let's see the temp. Okay, I didn't have it on long enough, but we'll see. Could have been a couple of minutes. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the fan on top. So, I didn't put it on yet. Fan ain't on. Because heat rises, so we're going to push the heat back down. I also ordered from Amazon this box. I'm going to open it. I didn't even open it up yet. After I did that lead thing, I figured let me look on the internet for if they sell lead. And they do. So I'm going to open this box up and see what it looks like. It's pretty heavy, so it must be lead. It's 7.8 pounds. Hold on. This is what's in the box. Must be a roll of lead. Let me open it up. Actually, it's pretty nice. It's a roll of lead. So you can actually wrap it around with this. I guarantee you ain't going to hear shit. Alright. Time. It's only 10 after. Alright, this is...
This is how